Guys, little shift today. Got an issue. Still at home. One of these two vents goes to our dryer, and I'm not sure which one because with the dryer on, I don't feel any air and I don't even hear it, which is really not good. So I gotta figure out which one goes to the dryer. I'm thinking the other one is the vent for that room, and so I turned it on. I'm gonna put my ear down there, see if I can hear it. Alrighty, I just lost my little bit off the roof. It fell down there. But I drilled these three out, so let's take a look. Wow, the whole outside is pretty much coated. But I'm thinking there's an actual blockage somewhere. I was gonna try to run this endoscope down there. Let's see what we can see. But it's good I can actually feel some air. I couldn't feel nothing earlier. Okay. I'm not seeing anything great, but it does look like there's I can see the light. Well, I could. I think I'm not sure, but I definitely think it's stuck to the walls. I can't get this very far down there, but I can see the light. It's either turns or it's a blockage. Either way, I need to get something down there and pull that crap up. Try to get you a good shot going backwards here. I got it in there about 4-5 feet maybe. Stuff builds up and becomes a fire hazard. Wish it had a little bit brighter light on it. Alright. Okay, so she's out. It was only in there that far. Okay, now I brought my cordless little shop vac up here. Got some fish tape, which I can bend. I brought some baggies up here, and I still got everything else. So I am gonna try to shove this down there and see what I can get out. I'll be right back. Still trying to rig something up to clean that duct out. I'm gonna tie this to my fish tape, so I'll probably cut it right here. I want to straighten this out though, and the only way I can think to do that is to maybe heat it up, and I don't know, probably melt right through the damn thing. Oh, don't stick to the damn driveway. Straighter. Yeah. Okay, now if I cut it right here, I can tape it to my fish tape and shove it in there, hopefully. See what we can pull out. Alrighty. Safety squints. Okay. Don't need that anymore. Alright. I'm gonna rig this up real quick. strongest tape I've got. Okay. Yeah, let's see what happens. Blockage at 2 feet. Ooh, down there. Let's put you all on a time lapse here. Look at all of it stuck to the wall. Well, I brought the vacuum down here because I have to disconnect the dryer. When I was up there, I had the dryer blowing up, so I hope this works. I think I'm at least getting to where I got the other side of where I got when I was up there, which is awesome. If I can get past that point, the last thing I want to do is break it apart. I think something in the attic. Then we're really screwed. It's not, I mean, that's some, but I got way more from the top. But it still wasn't blowing apart. That's not good. Uh-oh. I'm stuck up these things. Thank God. to reconnect the hose and see how much is blowing out up there. Okay, back up top. Oh, heard something loose. Alright, I think I got about as much as I'm going to be able to get, so I'm going to go ahead and close this back up. We'll go run a load and see what it does. So I'm not going to use rivets, I'm just going to screw it in, that way next time I can just unscrew it. I don't have to drill anything out. Okay. I'm going to continue vacuuming because we have got quite a bit. I don't know if you can see, but it's all over the roof, and I don't want it to get into my neighbor's yard, so I'm getting their pool and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, and then we'll give it a try. One of my bits fell off the roof. It slid all the way down, and I've been looking for it, and I finally found it right here inside this aloe vera plant. It's just a countersink bit, but I told my roommate, I'm like, when the weeds die off, if you see a bit out there, don't throw it away. But I found it. See how much was in the, oh my god, wow, that's this vacuum. I used 2 vacuums on this, and that's what the wind didn't carry away. So you got to do this every so often, guys. Look at that. That is totally full. I just emptied this like last week or something, so it's a lot. That was all trapped in that vent. Crazy. Well, another day squeaks by where I don't get anything done on the Samurai, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to hit it extra hard tomorrow. Alright, we're gonna do a comparison. I'm gonna lube this garage door opener, but I'm gonna run it up so you can hear it. Oh, instantly. Oh my gosh, that's so much quieter. Wow. On my Samurai playlist, where I'm kind of restoring a Samurai, I took this egg and coated it with bed liner, and I put one coat on it and you could still see the brown eggshell underneath, so I dunked it a second time and it looks like it's pretty well coated. We're gonna do something fun to kind of test how strong that bed liner is. Alright guys, it's a decent sized load. Usually I'd probably have to run this, I don't know, 1.5, 2 times, and lately at least 2, maybe 3. So I'm just getting ready to start it. I'm gonna do my normal and we'll see how long it takes. I just normally go to right there. So we'll come back, check it when it's done, and see if they're dry. Alright guys, I've just been editing this video, and I'm happy to report that just running it once, they're not only dry, they're hot. So they're like really hot. I probably didn't even have to run it that long. And this is what we're looking at for the lint that it picked up. You know, all that stuff you saw earlier is just what squeaks by this little filter right here, and yeah, I mean, just over time it really builds up. But cool, I'd say that's a success. You know, a lot of houses, this would be on like a perimeter wall, and it would just literally vent straight to the outside. That's like far more ideal than going up through the roof and going 30 feet. It's just, it lets the air escape a lot better, but it makes a significant difference when the air can get out. When it can't, you know, for obvious reasons, your clothes just won't get dry. You waste a ton of electricity. I should have done this a while ago, but I don't know. We rent, so I don't, this thing is working better right now than it ever has, so I don't know if that duct has ever been this clean before. So anyways, I'm happy. This is something you can easily do at home if your clothes aren't drying, so I hope this helps somebody. Alright guys, take care.